Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will explain how to cook onions and peppers for fajitas. First, select your favorite bell peppers, any color works, and a large onion. Slice them into uniform strips, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. This ensures even cooking. Remember to remove the seeds and white membranes from the peppers for the best texture and flavor. This simple preparation step is crucial for delicious fajitas. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet, preferably cast iron, over medium-high heat. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed oil. Once shimmering, add your sliced onions and peppers. Avoid overcrowding the pan. If you have a lot, cook them in 2 batches. This allows the vegetables to sear and caramelize beautifully rather than steam. Seasoning is key for authentic fajita flavor. Once your vegetables are in the hot pan, sprinkle generously with fajita seasoning, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. You're aiming for tender, crisp vegetables with some delicious charring, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Don't overcook them. They should still have a slight bite. Almost done. Once your onions and peppers reach that perfect tender, crisp stage with lovely char marks, remove them from the heat immediately. This stops the cooking process and preserves their texture. Serve them piping hot alongside warm tortillas, your choice of protein, and all your favorite fajita toppings. A squeeze of fresh lime juice just before serving adds a wonderful, bright finish. Enjoy your homemade fajitas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.